Meenakari, the art of beautifying primarily metal surfaces by fusing brilliant colors and kundans, finds its origins in Persia. It became popular in India from the 17th century, especially in the present day states of Gujarat and Rajasthan, and thereafter has become more beautiful, elegant, and creative. Meenakari is a combination of two Persian words. Meena is a feminine of Meena, which means heaven, and Kari means to place a thing on another object. Altogether, Meenakari means to bring heaven on the object which is being painted. Traditional art forms such as Meenakari are therapeutic in nature and help connect the body and soul, lighten the surrounding, and have a healing power for the painter because of their distinctive colorful designs. With a proper understanding of the process to make Meenakari paintings and giving it an artistic look, you can master the art and start making personalized and customized designs, using them as a unique gifts or home decor, or even selling them. We at Penkraft have designed this thorough course for artists and art enthusiasts who are passionate about learning art forms. During this Penkraft Meenakari Art Course, we shall use MDF surfaces to paint our Meenakari paintings. A square MDF for floral pattern, a round MDF for peacock choker, a Jharokha with peacock arch design, a chopping board for lady figure, and an MDF box to make a floral jewelry box. MDF is an easy to use material because of its consistency, strength, and smooth effect. To give glazed effect, we will use glass colors, and finally colorful kundans to beautify the artwork.